talk to us a little bit about your research methods. Did you talk to different groups? Did you survey or interview, or how did you collect the information?
We had a group interview for chosen specific experts. Then we had a survey for tourism entrepreneurs, and then we had a survey for the local residents. And basically that was the way we collected the data.
Okay. So did you learn anything from the local residents that surprised you or unsettled you?
Well, I don't know if it surprised me, but it was awakening to understand the soul of being a local in the archipelago. We asked them, for example, how does it feel, and described in different words. And there were descriptions like feeling like being one with the sea and how the sea runs in your veins. And that makes me understand how vital it is to give a voice to people who call their home, who are the ones who interact with the visitors. And I guess none of us would be happy when someone tells you what to do or what happens in your home yard or how your natural environment is treated. So that is something to understand and act according to that knowledge and understanding.